Hello friends, welcome to Online Kids Education SP. If you like this video, don't forget like, share and subscribe this channel. Important opposite words for beginners and kids. The first is ability. Ability, inability. Yogyata, ayogyata. Happy against unhappy. Dukhi, sukhi. Happy means sukhi, unhappy means dukhi. Next, above, below, वर, खाली. Enjoy against suffer. सुख, दुख. Enjoy, suffer. Accept, refuse. स्वीकारणे, नाकारणे. Accept, refuse. Next, empty against full. रिकामा, भरलेला. रिकामा, भरलेला. Earn against spent. मिळवणे, घालवणे. Earn, spent. Debit, credit. Debit against credit. खर्च, जमा. Next, death against birth. मरण, जन्म. Dark, bright. काळा, गोरा. Dark, bright. काळा, गोरा. Danger, safety. Danger, safety. धोका, सुरक्षित. Cruel, kind. Cruel means cruel. Kind, दयाळू. Cool, warm. Cool, थंड. Warm, गरम. Domestic, wild. पाळीव, जंगली. Domestic, wild. Clean against dirty. सुंदर, घाण. Clean, dirty. सुंदर, घाण. Care against neglect. Care means काळजी, neglect means दुर्लक्ष. Care, neglect. Next, dim, bright. निस्तेज, चमकदार. Dim, निस्तेज, चमकदार. Bold, timid. Bold, धाडशी. Timid, भित्रा. Big, small. Big, मोठा. Small, लहान. Big, small. Barren, fertile. Barren, fertile. नापीक, सुपीक. नापीक, सुपीक. False, true. False opposite, true. खोटे, खरे. खोटे, खरे. Fat, thin. जाड, बारीक. Fat, thin. जाड, बारीक. Foolish, wise. Foolish, मूर्ख. Wise, शहाणा. Fierce, gentle. Fierce, हिंसक. Gentle, सभ्य किंवा गरीब. Fresh, stale. ताजा, शिळा. Fresh, stale. ताजा आणि शिळा. Fear, courage. Fear against courage. Fear, भीती. Courage, धाडशी. Guilty, innocent. Guilty, innocent. दोषी, निर्दोष. Oral, written. तोंडी, लेखी. Oral against written. Hard, soft. Hard, कठीण. Soft, मऊ. Next, humble, proud. Humble means नर्म. Proud, गर्विष्ठ. Joy, sorrow. Joy, आनंद. Sorrow, दुःखी. Joy means आनंद. Sorrow, दुःखी. Lie, true. खोटे, खरे. Lie, true. खोटे, खरे. Thick, thin. जाड, पातळ. Thick means जाड. Thin means पातळ. Rich, poor. श्रीमंत, गरीब. Rich against poor. श्रीमंत गरीब. Sharp, dull. तीव्र मंद. Sharp means तीव्र, dull means मंद. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thank you.